How to create a Canvas page with a table and embed media. To start, go to your Canvas dashboard. Scroll down to the course that you want to add a page to. Let's pick the Basecamp Master Shell. Go to Modules. And I will add a page to Day 2 Student Engagement. So you go to the plus, add a page. Let's create a new page and call it How to. Add that item. When you add a page, it always adds to the bottom of the module. So there it is, my unpublished how-to page. Click on the page, go to Edit, and this will be How to Video. I want that T capitalized. So say you want to add multiple videos and I maybe want to put them in a table. Go to the three dots, which is the More menu, click on it, and you can see you have a bunch of other options here. Let's select the table option. And we can pick how many cells we want in this table. It doesn't have to be perfect because you can always add or take away cells. So say we want to do 3 videos, maybe pick 3 cells. Click in the very first cell that you want to add something to. And pretend I want to add a media clip here or a YouTube video or something that I have recorded. I will go out to my YouTube channel and go down to your videos. So you've got your videos. I just recorded this a little bit earlier today. So say this is the one. Click how to convert. It is how to convert a PowerPoint to a Google slide. Go to share. And I want the embed code rather than just the link. So grab the embed code here. You can highlight and Control C to copy, or you can just come down here and copy it. So I've got that copied. I'll close that out and go back to my Canvas page here. So I want to embed a YouTube video. Look at these options here. This is an embedded link, an image. Right here, this icon here, I'll select that drop-down menu to upload recorded media. This is if I already have that media living in the course, so it's considered course media. I don't. Mine is living in YouTube, so I am going to click this link. And I want to select Embed. Hit there and Control V to paste the code. Now this video is going to come up quite large. You can play around with the HTML code here. Sometimes I'll cut this in half. So this would be about 280, approximately 280. And if I cut this one in half, about 157. Again, you can play around with the height to see what you like. Maybe you want that video big, and click submit and you can see it there. If I want this a little bit more centered, right now you can see the table is highlighted. I click in the cell and go to the more, so I get the table icon. And I can go to the cell properties and then make sure within that cell that it is lined in the center height-wise, and then also in the middle. And click down and save. You can see it repositions it there. If I want a border around the table, again, I've got the table highlighted. I click back here again, and this time I can pick table properties. And maybe I want a thicker border. So let's say 5. Go into the advanced settings. You have some more options there as well. You can select a border style. We've used groove for this Canvas course, so I'll stay specific with the groove. You can also pick the color. If you don't like any of these, again, you get to go to the palette wheel and select. If you have a real specific color that you like, I've got a couple favorites. You can put in the hex code right here. I would just write down the hex codes of my favorite colors, but wherever you select, it will show the color and you can pick whichever color you want. Say I like that one and click save and save. You can see it gives it a nice border around it as well. So you can continue adding things in each cell of the table. You can left justify or right justify items. You can change the width of the columns. The last thing I like to do is go down and the accessibility checker. And it says I have 2 issues. The table should include a caption describing the contents of the table. So I could say video how to, and you can be more specific and apply it. And then do I want to set a table header? You can pick no headers, or you can pick one for a specific row or for a column. I will pick for the column and apply because that is my column of videos. Yay, no accessibility issues. You can click out there and save your page. You can continue adding. If you decide you don't want some of these rows, you just go in and delete them. But that is how to add media to a table.